Hello guys, today we're gonna change the LCD in the LG K420n. We're gonna change the LCD and digitizer also too. Here we're gonna have a new one. So let's get started. The procedure will be quite easy. First of all, we need to unscrew all the screws from the back. And now gently open the back cover. Let's see. Okay, and for now we need to take off all the elements and the motherboard from the back. So disconnect on all the flags here, all the parts. It's quite easy. Here we have our motherboard, and put here all the